You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Gionee was one of the first smartphone brands in China to get relevancy in the West. In addition, it was also one of the first Chinese brands to appeal to the Indian market. However, the company failed to compete with the likes of Xiaomi and lost its momentum. After a couple of years of keeping a low profile, the smartphone brand returned with a bunch of low-end smartphones in the last year. Gionee is alive but is mostly a low-end and mid-range focused smartphone maker nowadays. Today, the brand is introducing a unique new smartphone. It runs in Unisoc chipset and also runs Huawei's HarmonyOS. The Gionee G13 is probably one of the first non-Huawei smartphones to bet on HarmonyOS as its operating system. Of course, a couple of other handsets have been already released with HarmonyOS, but it's intriguing to see that Gionee is also betting on this firmware. To those unaware, HarmonyOS still has a lot of Android under the wraps but is constantly evolving to become something else. In case you're unaware, the Google mobile services are absent in this system. Instead, we have the Huawei mobile services and Huawei's app gallery. As long as this device remains in China, we don't see a problem in using HMS. In terms of specifications, the Gionee G13 flaunts a 6.26-inch LCD screen. Despite the low-end nature, the device comes with a full HD+ resolution. The downside is that it refreshes at 60 Hz. The screen also has a 19:9 aspect ratio and has a wide-notch solution to house the 5MP selfie snapper. Under the hood, it boasts the Unisoc T310 SoC. This chipset only has 4 cores, but that is led by a single ARM Cortex-A75 core clocked at up to 2.0 GHz. It also has 3 ARM Cortex-A55 cores clocked at up to 1.8 GHz. The handset has 4 GB of RAM, and the storage options are weird. Users will opt between a variant with 4 GB and 32 GB, or 4 GB and 128 GB. You have a micro SD slot for further memory expansion. In terms of optics, we have a 13MP main camera and a 2MP macro shooter on the back. The battery may be a major disappointment. After all, it only has 3000. As this is a 12nm processor, we don't think it will live an entire day without charges. Anyway, it's good to have a USB Type-C port in the handset. The Gionee 13 Pro comes in 4 distinct colorways: blue, gold, purple, and black. The basic model costs 529 Chinese yuan, which translates to $83. The 4 GB, 128 GB option will sell for 699 Chinese yuan or $110. The company is selling the handset in China through JD.com. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.